Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change language on Whop. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so to set your language preferences, so make sure you're on the latest version of Whoop. Navigate to the App Store, find the Whoop app first. And then open your settings, phone settings, scroll to the bottom and select Whop from the list of applications. Under preferred language, select the language of your choice, and if your app is up to date, you do not see the option to change the preferred language, and then you can just try opening your phone settings app, general, select language and region. Under languages, add a second language. So just go to settings, general, and language and region, and here you can select your language and it should change your Whop language as well. On an Android phone, just open device system settings, select your preferred language, and force restart your Whop app and you should see your changes. If you do not see it, just restart your phone and it should fix your problem. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.